In this video, we're going to learn how to copy documents from one folder to another folder. You can also use this if you plug in an external hard drive, such as a flash drive. If you want to back up documents, this is the process you'll follow to make sure you have the documents you require, both on your hard drive and on your external hard drive, or to just move it from one folder to another. The first thing we're going to do is learn how to snap windows, which is something that you can do on Windows 10 for any window, be it Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Microsoft Word, whichever. So what we're going to do is hold down our left mouse button across this white edge here. We're then going to either move it to the left or the right, whichever is your preference. I'm going to move it to the right as far as you possibly can until your mouse cursor is off the screen. You can then see there's a snapping motion on the window. So if you now let go of the left button on your mouse, the window snaps into place. You can see it produces one long folder. You can see it also then provides a smaller miniature version of the open folder on your desktop. If you left click here into this folder, it then snaps into place and produces a second longer version. So although they may look fairly similar, they are two different folders just side by side. We have our training version here and our completed version here. And in this instance, as training, we want to move these three documents to this folder over here. So in order to do that, we're going to left click on the top file. In this instance, it's training copy 2. You can see it highlights it blue all the way along. Now I'd like you to hold down the control button on the keyboard. For me, it's the bottom left. It says CTRL on the key. Hold that down. Now press the letter A on the keyboard once. And as you can see, it highlights all of the files within the folder. This would be the same whether it was 3 files or 200 files. Control A will highlight them all at the same time. You can now right click on any of these files. We'll just choose the middle one. You right click and you'll see there's a huge selection of menu options here. All you need to do is copy and press that with your left mouse button. Visually nothing will change, however you have now stored in the computer's memory a copy of these 3 files. And all you're going to do is move over to the completed folder, whichever folder you're going to move to, and left click to make sure you've activated that folder. So this window here on the left side of my screen, I'm going to right click anywhere that's white and I'm going to paste. So this has copied and pasted those files from my training folder to my completed folder. If I left click again, it takes off the highlighting. And that is how we copy and paste documents over from one folder to another.